Yes.
Okay. And this is called what?
Yeah?
Kekova.
Kekova.
Yeah.
Kekova Island. This Smyrna here.
Yep.
This,
Ah, okay.
after
Yeah.
Smyrna.
Yep.
Yeah.
This is the sunken
Lunchtime
city.
after Smyrna, yeah. This house here.
Yep. The old walls. So there was a city here that sunk over time from the Roman times. There's Captain Süleyman. Hello, Captain.
This is Roman bath here.
Oh, the Roman baths?
Yeah.
It's beautiful colour.
This is Roman bath here.
Tell me what, tell 1, 2, 3, jump.
1, 2, 3.
How's it look?